Reallocating staff, customer, or supplier IDs in AAAPOS RetailManager. This guide explains the process of reallocating staff, customer, or supplier IDs in AAAPOS RetailManager. This feature is useful for correcting mistakes made when assigning these IDs or changing them for any other reason. Steps to reallocate IDs. Navigate to the Admin menu on the main screen. Select the Reallocate Numbers option. This will open the Reallocate Numbers window. In the Select Records from drop-down list, click the down arrow to reveal the options. Choose the record type you want to reallocate: customer, staff, or supplier. In the Old ID field, enter the existing staff, customer, or supplier number that you wish to reallocate. Press Enter, or click the search icon to select the required number from the list. In the New ID field, enter the new ID that you want to assign to the staff, customer, or supplier. This must be a new ID, or alpha characters, that have not been previously assigned. To have RetailManager automatically generate a new ID, press F5. This will display a new number for you. Once the old and new IDs are entered, click Reallocate, or press F10 to confirm the reallocation. What happens after reallocation? The old ID is cleared from the system and is now available for use with a new staff member, customer, or supplier. The new ID is assigned to the specified staff, customer, or supplier. Please note: make sure to double-check that the new ID is not already in use to avoid conflicts. The Reallocate Numbers feature works for customers, staff, and suppliers, so ensure you are selecting the correct record type before proceeding. If you need additional help, refer to the Information menu, Stock section in the RetailManager video tutorials. This process ensures that you can quickly and accurately manage IDs within AAAPOS RetailManager.